So what's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Mint OS on VMware Workstation. So first of all, in order to download the OS, you have to just like open a browser that you have, and then search download Mint OS, or say just Mint OS download. Okay, and now click on the latest Mint OS version and then click on the cinema edition, or if you want the lightweight edition, you can always have other editions. And then click on the download button, and then you can see the size format and how it's been. And now scroll down a little bit and you can see the servers. If you're at USA, click on the USA server and it will start downloading like this. Just look at this. So as you can see, it's downloading, and I already have it, so I'm not gonna download it again. And now let's just go into file manager, and let's just install. And now let's open VMware Workstation. So after that, we will greet an interface like this. And then now all we're gonna have to do is to come into the home button and then click on the create a new virtual machine, and then click on the next button, and then click on the next button, and then click on the click on the back button and make sure it's set at this. Click on the next button and then click on the next button, and then click on the next button, and then click on the UEFI button and click next. And the number of processor is important. A number of course per thing, I'm gonna set it 4. And that's all. And I'll click on the next button and we have the memory section. So now I recommend you setting it on the 4 gig of memory. And then click on the next button, and then click on the next button, and then click on the next button, and then click on the everything recommended button, then click on the next button, and then click on the next button, and then make sure the size is above 16 or 60 GB, and then click on the next button, and then click on the next button, and then click on the finish button. They'll create a disk for us, and now we're ready to go. So it seems like our name is not what we want, so click on the edit virtual machine settings button, and then we will have the thing that we're gonna need. Click on the cd/SSD, and then make sure you have the ISO, and then just click on the ISO. I have it in my drive document D, and now click on the Linux Mint ISO, and then click on the open button, and then we have the ISO that we're gonna need. So now all we're gonna need to do is to change the name. Okay, click on the OK button, and then click on the rename button, and we're gonna rename it Linux Mint. Oh, we're done. And now click on the power on this virtual machine button, and then it will power on the virtual machine. And now just click on the OK button and it will boot up itself, don't worry. And then click on the first button here, stays like start Linux Mint Cinema 64-bit version. Click on the yes button or the enter button, and then make sure to close this icon here. Okay, and now it will definitely it will gonna load up the things that we're gonna need. You'll get an interface like this, and now wait until it boots up. So it seems like it's booted up because we have the mouse ready, and now we will wait for it to install. Okay, now it will greet an interface like this, and then click on this button called install Linux Mint, and then double click on it, and now it will start happening. And if you don't install it, if they save something, it will automatically restore. Okay, understand? So we're gonna install the packages, install the things that we're gonna need, and this is the challenging part to you guys if you're a beginner. Now let it load, and we will do lots of things. And now click on the English button or the language you want. Click on the continue button, and now it'll greet the interface like this, and make sure it's set at English US, and click English US button. Then click on the continue button, and it will gonna continue the thing. And then we have multimedia coders, and then click on the install multimedia coders because it's recommended. Click on the continue button for you beginners, so it will gonna need for you beginners. Okay, now it will do the thing that we're gonna need. Okay, now click on the erase hard disks and install Mint button. Okay, click on the install now button. Now and now click on the continue button. My brother is screaming. Don't worry. And now he's laughing for me as a noob. And now click on the region that you have and click on the continue button. And then enter your name. And now make sure the computer name is set it to your username. And then the username is this, and then we're gonna choose a password. And then click on the continue button, and we'll have interface like this, and it will gonna copy the files that we're gonna need, paste the files, and install the MintOS, I guess. And now it will gonna take some time. Make sure it's completely done before we like eject the CD DVD thing. Make sure it's completely done. You're gonna copy the files, and then it will gonna paste it up. There's a lots of background noises in my area because I'm in a crowded situation. Again, I don't have a room. I am in a crowded situation. Hey man, stop down. Yeah, so as you can see, it's bit laggy, but it will not be laggy anymore when we will install the Mint OS, and we need some time for it to install. And one of my viewers said that you did time lapse, and this time I will not do time lapse. I'm challenging you. I will not do time lapse anymore. I will show you the entire painful process here, there, and I will not do time lapse. What? Who's doing it? Why? Why? Astronomy. So it's kind of like Windows, and what the fuck is Web 2? VirtualBox. Wait, hold on a second. We have VirtualBox on it. That means we can run another operating system in the operating system. Wow, that's cool. I will definitely gonna try it later. Another video. Ouch! Stupid mosquito. Stupid guy. What is your problem, brother? Please don't disturb me. I'm doing a video. Please stop making background noise. So they're almost finished copying my files down. Oh, so you can see I can see a terminal here that's running. Okay, now it will install the system, hopefully. This is not fun anymore. Please stop it. Okay, now they will gonna retrieving the files. Let them do the things. Don't close this thing up. If you want, you can see everything there's in Linux Mint. And after the installation done, I will show you how to update the system, how to upgrade it up, some Linux basic things up. Yes, yes. What the fuck is your problem? So I'm gonna like zoom it up. What the fuck? Yeah, now that feels better. Okay, now it will install the language pack, I guess. I'm sorry for the video quality and the background noises around me, but I have nothing to do. I live in a family of four, and they always surround me, say me to go study. Doesn't let me. They doesn't even let me even video edit the videos or edit the videos or uploading it week every day. But I wanna do it, but they're like, if you dare to upload the video, it will be fucked up. They say word like this, and they say me to go study. And my brother recently passed the astronomy Olympic, and I think that will and now the now I just don't even get the laptop anymore. Now it will gonna configure the locales. Now the fucking background noise is gone. Go, you guys. Okay, now it will gonna remove the unnecessary things that I don't recommend. And now it's going. Let's see Linux means what. My gosh, we have lots of things that supports on Linux Mint, like VirtualBox. I'm definitely gonna try it up. It was like I'm gonna make it like Windows, but they doesn't know what Windows have, and they doesn't have. I perform the best operating system in the world is Windows. Now they were gonna install group and all the necessary things that we're gonna need. So wait, so watch until the end to find out what will happen. Okay, now we're done. We're done installing it up, and now click on the restart now button and definitely hold on a second. And now and now make sure to eject the installation media. I'm gonna click on the settings button and I'm gonna like don't approve it up. I'm gonna remove it up. Now we're done. And now click on the enter button and it will gonna do everything for us. Okay, now they will gonna start the device. I'm not feeling too confident about this, but let's see what will happen. Oh, we're here, and now the password we set it. Just enter the password, and now we're at the Linux Mint system. Okay, now click on the Let's Go button. We don't need all of them, so just click on the exit button, and now go